Hi guys, we're live, so you're gonna see probably children running around and yelling and noises, so that's fine. This is how Sunday is at the house. Laundry's getting done and I'm gonna cook. We're gonna be making almond cereal bars from scratch, so you can see how easy it is live. All right, got my pan. It's all sprayed with canola, 8x8. And now we're gonna start the process of making the nice, yummy honey and nut butter sauce. Call it sauce for the cereal. All right, so I'm gonna stick my nut butter, which is almond butter. For those of you with any kind of nut butter allergy, you can use sunflower seed butter. Okay, it's called sun butter. A lot of my people who have a nut allergy are allowed to use sunflower seed because it's seed based. So just a little tip, it's the same consistency, tastes just as good. All right, my honey, which is, just to let you know, honey gets a little sugary when it's been sitting a while. So I buy this by the tub, so sometimes it just sits for a little bit. That's why it looks a little funny, but it's honey. Oops. All right, so we're gonna slowly start stirring this up. Ooh, put it a little too high, and it just carefully, it says to put it on, as it sizzles, on medium low. So let me lower that heat. Ooh. All right, we're gonna stir this up and get it to a thin, runny kind of consistency, just like you're making Rice Krispie treats. Okay, so follow the recipe. It's really easy. Oh, this looks good. Come in here, Ori. Ori's my producer, director. Okay, so as you can see, it's getting already nice and thin. It didn't take too long. Also, here's the maca root. Let me show you. Maca powder. They have different brands. They do have these in the grocery store. You just kind of have to look. They tend to put in different areas, but you'd be surprised where you find this. I found it in Bravo. Bravo, you find a lot of things. So we're going to be using, I believe, here we go. We've got half a tablespoon. So half a tablespoon. There's my tablespoon. I'm just going to put half a tablespoon in there. Okay, about half a tablespoon. And again, you can read how good maca root is for you and your body. Okay, we're stirring it up. Nice and blended. Okay, once I get this nice and blended, this looks really good. Okay, now we're gonna add our cereal. All right, so we got 2 cups of Wheaties. My gluten-free people, they have gluten-free cereals. Okay, they might not have Wheaties or a wheat flake, maybe, but you can grab 2 types of cereal that are similar, that are gluten-free, and make your own cereal bars. That's how easy it is to substitute. So, let's stick the measuring cup in here. Okay, 1. Woo, I'm having too much fun here today. Okay, 2. And then 2 cups of honey nut. Okay, multi-grain. Sorry, multi-grain. My box is backwards, but you get the gist of it. Okay? And then 2 cups of any dried fruit. Now, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Put a chopped dates. So 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick 2 tablespoons of dates in here. You can use cranberries, cherries, blueberries, raisins, dried fruit, chop some apple, chop some pineapple, papaya, any type of dried fruit, just to give it a little bit of yumminess. Okay, now we're gonna stir this up. So the directions are right here, guys, all right? It just says pour the mixture, stir it up. Okay, we're gonna remove it from the heat. Let's read. Remove it from the heat, coat the cereal, and then we're gonna put it in our pan. All right, so I'm just, as you can see, mixing this up, making sure all of the cereal is coated. Come on. Okay. It smells so good. Coat the cereal so that when you put it in the pan and press it in there, it'll make a nice bar for you. Now, with the protein, some of you guys want to use this as a snack. I suggest if it's a 2-unit snack, maybe get 2 ounces of deli slices, put them in a snack pack, and bring your bar with you. Okay, that will make a 2-unit full meal portion. 3-unit, you would do the same. Take your bar and go get 3 ounces of a deli meat. That way you can take it to go, or maybe 1.5 ounces of jerky. So you could substitute the protein portion of the recipe with your cheat sheet, your pack and go. Okay, so I hope that helps some of you. Even yogurt. Okay, Greek yogurt. All right, here we go. So we're gonna come over here to our pan and scoop all this yumminess out. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Looks really good. And I'm gonna press it into the pan, just like it says. Follow the directions. Okay, and it's got to refrigerate for 1 hour. Okay, don't try to attack this prior to it getting nice and solid. Here's another little trick that I've done. Okay, we can actually put some parchment paper on top and smush it, but I really want to make sure I pack this in so the honey and the nut butter have a chance to stick together in the refrigerator. Woohoo! Looks good. What do you think? Ta-da! That's how easy. How easy was that? Now I will cut these once they're cold into my portions and follow the directions, all right? I will suggest making double batches if your kids attack these. All right, so catch me in a little bit. I'll come back live. We're gonna be seasoning some of the flank steak. And let me check out what else I might do for you guys today. All right, catch you soon.